silicone that I used was made by Gorilla Glue, and it said on the bottle, mold resistant. What a bunch of crap. So I called the company and complained, and they told me what to do, so that's what I'm doing. But should have been mold resistant at the beginning, but as you can see, if you try to wipe it, you'll get some of it off, but it doesn't come off. So it's almost like it's embedded in there, but I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. They said it works. I tried it earlier on a different spot, and it does work. So once a year or once every 8 months, you'll have to do this. Some toilet paper, and I placed it on the area. And I've got some regular bleach, doesn't have to be scented like mine, and just spill it on it. See yourself up in a second. You trying to drip this on me. Get it all soaked. Probably use a spray bottle, it's probably better. Something you get pure bleach right on there. And then just take a finger, shove it in there, make sure it's got contact. And that's it, and let it sit. We're gonna come back and check this out in about 10 hours. One is really good, so I'm gonna get that one too. So to make sure that this is working and this video isn't full of crap. Alright, here's that. Spill some bleach on there. Okay, got that pretty good. Pack it in there. Seems like a lot of work, but everything would have been great if they would have just held to their name and said 100% mold resistant. What a bunch of crap. You know? Don't put that on your bottle if it's not. And then you try to come up with this method. Of course bleach kills anything, but whatever. It is what it is right now. Going to the shower. I'm gonna check this out, showing you guys that this does work. And you can see now there's no mold. Let me wipe that off. There's no mold, no sign of mold over there at all. All right, going down over here to the one we did at the bottom. Probably have to get a whole gallon of bleach to make this work out. But you can see that all the mold, mildew, black that was in there is all gone. Okay, so if this works for you, give me that thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up. In the corner. Pretty much all you gotta do is clean the soap scum. That's it.